Hello dear Gemini, welcome back to my channel, and this is your March 2nd week exclusive love reading. So if you are in a relationship, situationship or marriage, this reading is for you. If your sun, moon or rising any sign is Gemini, if you're looking for a career or business or money related video that's already uploaded on my channel, March monthly reading. So you can either click on the video section or the latest section, scroll a little down and you will find your career and money related video as well. Now let's see how your love life is going to be in the second week of March, starting from March 10th till the 16th. You have got the Two of Spades and the Completed World, and you've also got the Apprentice and the Justice card. I do see that in relationship you're very hurt, like somebody abandoned you, left you in the out, cold, without explanation, without apologizing, without giving you any clarification. They just left you. I also see a lot of blockages in your reading. It could be that you both have now blocked each other, or there were some problems in your relationship where, from the outsiders, friends, family, or anything of that sort. I do see that those of you who are waiting for a reunion is going to happen for you. I do see a reconciliation happening and this very person coming back into your life. Yes. With the justice card, I can surely say that person will be apologizing, this person will be giving you clarifications, and this person would want to come back into your life, right? If you were feeling very incomplete over the past few days or weeks or even months, your life is going to be complete in the second week of March. If you were married and waiting for, a baby or a pregnancy related news, you wanted to, uh, you know, uh, become three people in the family for two from two, then that is also happening. If you thought your family was incomplete because you did not have a baby, it's going to happen for you in the second week. You are going to get the news or actually delivery of the baby. No matter what your situation was, you were feeling incomplete. I do feel that there was a void in your heart. That person is going to fill it for you. Okay, so I do see, if you were single, a new person will come to your life. If you could get into a relationship or even marriage as well. Yes, because the Completed World is also a card of marriage. So if you have been single for a very long time and waiting for marriage, and you have been feeling incomplete because everyone around you is getting married, then Gemini's second week of March is the right time for you to get a good news of some sort. Either you actually getting married or engaged, or some sort of confirmation is coming your way. It is going to be a beautiful week for you guys. I do see that in your relationships you've always given your 100%, and this is especially a message for all those who are hurt. You have given your 100%. Okay, there was no lack from your side when it came to investment of time or love or care. You are very hurt, and some of you are even thinking of taking revenge from this person who hurt you, whether that's a family or a friend or a partner or an ex or whoever. You don't have to do anything, guys. You just have to sit back and relax, because the Justice card has come into your reading, which clearly says that whoever has done wrong to you will get their karma. And that could also be that why this person is coming back, because they have been taught a lesson, they have been treated the same way. They're going to come back to you, they're going to apologize, and you will know that the justice has been served. So do not worry, you will see. And if you have been single for a very long time and you were very hurt, you will get married to a person who will keep you so happy that when your ex will see, he will get jealous, right? He will realize that, I made a shitty mistake in my life. So don't worry, because your justice will be served to you in the form of either that person coming back or you moving on with a bang and getting into a better relationship with a better partner and having a better future than you had in the past, right? So don't worry, because no matter what your situation is, your life is getting better in the second week of March. So if you resonated with this reading, or if you want to claim this reading, then please do comment, I claim this reading. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, or if you would like to book a ritual with me, whether regarding love or career or anything, you can email me at asasharma842@gmail.com, or you can even DM me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot. Please do not forget to follow me on Instagram, because that is where I post everything regarding my two channels. So please follow me on Instagram, book a reading. My charges is very cheap, very minimal. My minimum charge is 170 rupees. Yes, 170 rupees, and the maximum charge is 1000 something. So why, now you would be thinking, why so cheap? Because I want to reach the masses. I want that most and most of my followers can, and even non-followers can avail this service and ask as many questions as possible and get clarity in their life. Yes, so please go ahead, guys, ask as many questions as possible, and take care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye bye.